Hello everyone! Today we're going to compare wealthy affiliates SiteRubix and Bluehost to help you decide which is better for building websites in 2024. Simply click the link in the description box to access both platforms. Let's dive in and explore each platform's features, advantages, and disadvantages. Let's start by looking at SiteRubix. SiteRubix is a website builder and hosting platform provided by Wealthy Affiliate. It allows you to create websites quickly and easily, with the added benefit of Wealthy Affiliates training and community support. The platform offers hosting with free SSL certificates and fast page load times. To sign up for SiteRubix, you'll need to become a member of Wealthy Affiliate. To create an account, you need to click on the top right option saying Sign In. Now, you'll need to choose a domain name for your website. SiteRubix offers a free subdomain or the option to use a custom domain if you have one. Enter your preferred domain name to check its availability. In terms of pricing, SiteRubix includes a free starter plan, a premium plan for $49 per month, and a premium plus plan for $99 per month. The yearly plans are also provided. On the other hand, Bluehost is primarily known as a hosting provider, but it also offers website building services. It provides a range of templates and customization options, as well as integrations with popular platforms like WordPress. Bluehost is great for users who want flexibility and control over their website's design and features. In terms of pricing, Bluehost offers a basic plan for $2 per month, a Choice Plus plan for $4 per month, an online store plan for $8 per month, and a cloud plan for $30 per month. It also offers yearly plans with discounted rates. When deciding between the two, it depends on your specific needs and preferences. In summary, SiteRubix is ideal for beginners who want an easy-to-use builder with training resources, while Bluehost is better for users seeking flexibility and control over their website. Remember, you can try out both platforms using the links in the description below. Sign up for free today and start building your website. Thanks for watching.